Here we go. Okay, these are the external abdominal obliques. This flap right here. And then this one right here is the internal abdominal obliques. It runs up this way instead. This is the transverse abdominis right here, running kind of like across. And then right here is the rectus abdominis right here. Makes your stomach flat. Okay. Sartorius. Sartorius. Sartorius.
That's sartorius.
Gracilis right here. Adductor longus, correct?
Yes.
Okay. This one right here, this combined right here, is adductor femoris. In the human is adductor, I believe, brevis and magnus. Semimembranosus is this muscle right here, this large one. Semitendinosus. Rectus femoris right here. Vastus medialis right here. Vastus lateralis right here. And vastus intermedius is hidden away in here somewhere. Right there. Okay. And now, going to the back side. This is biceps femoris, this big one right here. We have gastrocnemius right here. I think soleus is better viewed on the lateral side. Okay, again, this is gastrocnemius, soleus right here. Okay, and this is where I might need some help. I believe this is tibialis anterior.
Yes.
Okay. This is the is it peroneus, or it's called fibular anterialis, or
Fibularis longus. Fibularis longus.
Fibularis longus is this one right here. Okay, and it is a flexor and inversion type muscle. Okay, and this one is, oh boy, extensor digitorum.
Longus, yeah.
Extensor digitorum longus is this one right here. All right. Okay. And then we have there's a flexor.
Oh, cannot record video. Too long?
Flexor digitorum longus, which extends from the phalanges all the way up to here. This one right here. This is flexor digitorum longus. Extends all the way to the distal phalanges. And then there's flexor digitorum brevis, which extends from the calcaneus to the middle phalanges. Okay, did I miss anything?
Okay.
We didn't do the glutes.
Yeah, or the,
Oh, we didn't do the glutes. Oh, I forgot about all that.
or the
glutae.
Yeah, the glutae.
erector spinae group.
Oh yeah, the rector spinae group is hidden back here, which I think is just these muscles right here, rector spinae. Okay, we have gluteus medius, gluteus maximus, I believe is this group right here. Correct me if I'm wrong. And this one, do we need to know this one? We don't need to know that one. This is the, was it tendinae fascia something or another? Latte.
Tensor fascia latte.
Tensor fascia latte. Okay, we go to McDonald's and get one of those.
Latte.
Yeah. Okay. And I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Well done.